in this video, I really wanted to feature this button here. And in a previous video, we discussed how to turn in assignments using Google Classroom. But I wanted to feature this button specifically. So this is usually our turn in button, but I have already submitted an assignment to my example classroom. So if I was to go back to my now turned in assignment, it gives me this message saying that I only have viewing access or I cannot edit it. So a simple fix is in my Google Classroom page, clicking my Unsubmit button. And then when I refresh my assignment, it gives me my edit access back. The same thing works on an iPad or a laptop. I happen to be on a laptop today. So I can fix my work as many times as I like, and then go back to my assignment. Notice my attachment is still there. That is okay. And I'm going to turn it in. Once I turn in my assignment, that message once again will pop up saying that I no longer have editing access. Another option for you is you can always make a copy of your work, especially if you're putting it in more than one folder or showing the writing process. So even though I have editing, or the editing access has been turned off because I turned in my assignment, Google Classroom automatically does that. I can go to File and make a copy. And I'll just leave the name that it creates for me. So notice the big difference when it opens up for me is, once again, this draft is mine. I have full access, as opposed to my original example. I turned it in, therefore I no longer have edit access. I either have to go into my Google Classroom and unsubmit and resubmit it again, or I can make a copy and turn it in that way, especially if I'm using it in multiple folders. I hope this video is helpful. If this video, as with all my videos, provide questions for you or other things you would like me to cover, please let me know, and I hope you have a great day.